Edo State Governor Govunor Obaseki on Friday 22 December 2023 for Government House signed into law the State 2024 Appropriation Bill wey be 342 billion naira after the Edo State House of Assembly passed the bill. Oga Obaseki con give accolades to the State Assembly for their collabo and for their work to make sure say dem sign the bill and pass am into law before the year end. E consti tok say big part of the budget na for capital projects wey go bring ogbonge development come the state. Obaseki come assure say im government go dey discipline for money matter and say as a government dem go make sure say dem meet all their financial obligations and say dat na why dem dey pay salaries and benefits as at when due. E consti tok say for wetin dem don see for dis appropriation law, dem go complete all the top priority projects wey dem start and say no government go fit complete the entire work as na continuous process, but dem go make sure say dem no leave any abandoned project.
I want to assure you that, as usual, this government is going to be frugal and disciplined in terms of its financial behavior. As you already know, as a government, we ensure that we fulfill and meet with all our obligations, our financial obligations. And we've always ensured that as a government, we meet our commitments as and when due. That is why we pay salaries, time, pay benefits to staff on time. We pay our liabilities, in fact, if any, to our financiers on time. From what we have seen in this appropriation law, we are going to be able to complete all the projects that priority projects at which we embarked on. No government can complete the entire work in the life of any state or country. It's a continuous process. But for those things we set out to do, we will complete them.
Speaker Edo State House of Assembly Honorable Blessing Agbeba Kukonyan say all party members, both the People's Democratic Party (PDP), Labour Party and All Progressive Congress (APC) agree on the budget and say the budget cover all areas of administration for the state, including the young, old, poor, rich, vulnerable and everybody for the state.
Excellency, this budget captured all phases of administration of this state. It captured both the old, the young, the poor, the rich, the vulnerable, and everybody in the state. It also captured all projects that is intended to be executed in the various constituencies. So, Your Excellency, I stand here today to present the year 2024 approved appropriation law, Edo State, the budget of finishing well to you today, Your Excellency.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojeseli, TMC TV News.